If Leonardo AI is giving you an error when uploading an image, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few fast fixes that can usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. Whether the issue is caused by your browser, a file format problem, or a corrupted image, these steps will help you get back to creating without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials and fixes. First, let's start with the most important step. Hard refresh your session. Log completely out of your Leonardo AI account, then clear your browser cookies for Leonardo AI. After that, sign back in and try the upload again. Sometimes a bad session or outdated login data can stop the upload process from working correctly. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy shields, and anti-tracking tools can interfere with the background scripts Leonardo AI uses to handle file uploads. These scripts often rely on services like AWS or Cloudflare, and if those are being blocked, the upload can fail. To test this, open an Incognito window and try uploading the image there. Incognito mode usually disables extensions by default, so it's a great way to see whether the issue is coming from your browser setup. If the image still won't upload, try the screenshot method. Sometimes images downloaded from websites include hidden metadata, broken color profiles, or other file issues that Leonardo AI doesn't like. The easiest fix is to open the image, take a clean screenshot of it, save that new file as a fresh PNG or JPG, and upload the screenshot version instead. This removes a lot of the hidden problems that can break the decoder. Another thing to check is file size. Leonardo AI can struggle with very large files, especially huge DSLR images or complex WEBP files. Try keeping your file size well below 5 to 10 megabytes whenever possible. If needed, compress the image before uploading so it's lighter and easier for the platform to process. Once you've gone through these steps, try the upload again. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the Leonardo AI image upload error right away. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.